Speaker, my name is Honorable Kelechi Nworgu, representing the good people of Ichie Omoma Federal Constituency. Right, Honorable Speaker, I'm from Rivers State, the treasure base of the nation. Mr. Speaker, I have a petition from Mr. Fidelis Omori from Delta.
Please, I would like those who are managing the microphone to raise the volume. We want to hear ourselves. My own is good, but the one for members is not as audible as it's supposed to be. Kindly raise the volume of members' microphones.
The Honorable Speaker, my name is Honorable Kelechi Nworgu, representing the good people of Ichie Omoma Federal Constituency. Right, Honorable Speaker, I'm from Rivers State, the treasure base of the nation. Mr. Speaker, I have a petition from Mr. Fidelis Omori from Delta State. I read, the Speaker, Federal House of Representatives, through Honorable Kelechi Nworgu, a petition on the gruesome killing of my son, 2-year-old Ivan Omori, and serious injuries on my second son, 1-year-old Irimosela Omori, by men of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, in Asaba State, in Asaba, Delta State. Mr. Speaker, it is with utmost sadness and heartbreak that I bring to your notice and that of our distinguished members honorable members.
You are protected. Please allow him.
I'm addressing this speaker.
Allow Honorable Kelechi to carry on with his petition, please. But Honorable Kelechi, you know you are not moving a motion.
Yes,
yes. You are protected. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Just to read the heading and the first phrase, then I read the prayers and I will
go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
A petition on the gruesome killing of my son, 2-year-old Ivan Omori, and serious injuries on my second son, 1-year-old Irimosela Omori, by men of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, in Asaba State, in Asaba Delta State. Right, Honorable Speaker, I will just read the first heading and read the prayers and lay it before you.
Excuse me, Honorable Kelechi. Is this the same thing that is on the other paper? Number 2. Can you check your other paper, number 2?
Mr. Speaker,
you can check your system. If you don't have the physical copy, can you check your system and go to document, other paper?
Now, Mr. Speaker, sorry, let me address the House just a minute. This is a call, but this is a petition from the father sent to the House. So there are two different things. And it's good when you inform the House, you also inform the House the true position of such a sensitive matter. So this is a petition from the father, not myself.
Mr. Speaker, it's an abuse of House processes.
Please. It's from the father that is aware of what happened to the son. That the motion that you're not acquainted with what happened. So briefing the House, it is necessary that we brief the House from the right source. Mr. Speaker, if you
I said you are protected, you are delaying the House.
May God bless
Do
you.
and then lay your petition. Please don't educate the House.
Mr. Speaker, to the prayers. Prayer 1. That the whole
No.
point of order.
This is outside our rules.
Just lay the
Honorable member, lay your petition. Lay your petition.
Honorable Kelechi, you may now lay your petition.
off your mind.
The prayers in the petition will be considered by the committee that the petition will be referred to. And any of you who want to lay petition, just mention the source of the petition, mention the subject matter of the petition, and go ahead and lay the petition. The other work will be done by the relevant committees. We're waiting for you to lay it, please. Honorable Kelechi, lay a petition across the maize. So they can open. I don't need to press anything. On top, lay it across the maize. Honorable Kelechi, lay it across the maize. Over the maize. This petition is hereby referred to the Public Petitions Committee once constituted. Any other petition from the...
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.